Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to capitalize the first letter in Google Sheets automatically to keep your data looking clean and professional without any manual typing. First, use the proper function. The fastest way to fix capitalization for names or titles is using the built-in proper function, which capitalizes the first letter of every word. Click in an empty cell next to your data and type equals proper of A2. Replace A2 with the cell containing your text. This is perfect for lists of names or locations. It automatically converts to capitalized version. Once you hit enter, you can double-click the small blue square at the bottom right of the cell to flash fill the rest of your column instantly. Next, drag the formula down, autofill. You don't need to type this formula for every row. You can use the fill handle to apply the fix to your entire list in seconds. Hover your mouse over the small blue square in the bottom right corner of your formula cell, and your cursor will turn into a plus sign. Click and drag that square down to the bottom of your list. As you drag, Google Sheets intelligently adjusts the formula for each row, changing A2 to A3, A4, and so on. If you have a very long list, you can simply double-click that blue square and it will automatically shoot the formula down to the very last row of your data. Lastly, clean up and finalize. To finish, you'll want to replace the original messy text with your new clean version so you can delete the formula column. Highlight all your new capitalized cells and press Ctrl-C to copy, then right-click your original column, column A, and select Paste Special, Values Only. This locks the text in place. You can now delete column B entirely, and your original list will remain perfectly capitalized without any formulas attached to it. And that's pretty much it. To capitalize your entire sheet, enter equals proper of A2 in the next column, then click and drag the blue square down to the bottom of your list. Finally, use Paste Special as values to keep your clean text permanent and clutter-free. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.